How to unblock people on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can unblock people on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to unblock people on TikTok, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then open up the TikTok application here. Then just come to the profile tab. If you've blocked a person before, you won't find the profile page. So to find the block list, tap the three lines option, go to settings and privacy, and then here you'll be able to find all the sorts of various options. What you want to do is simply go to this option called privacy. Once you go to privacy over here, you'll find option known as blocked accounts, which is at the very bottom of the screen. So tap on blocked accounts, and then here you'll find the profile that you've blocked. All you have to do is just make sure to tap the unblock button in order to unblock the specific person. This way you can unblock someone on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.